So I am heading down to see the big pigs and to give them some eggs that we have, since we have an abundance of those, and also some pears to enjoy. And the house is coming along. He's been working hard. I think he's doing the, I don't know if it's underlayment, wrap, I don't know what it's called, some ice and frost shield stuff. We will head down and check on Spots and Freckles today. Alright girls, you ready? I have eggs. So you guys need some fresh eggs? There's Spot. There we go. Here, Freckles. There's your egg. Oh goodness. Pinch, 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 pinch. Okay, over here girls. You're getting all up by that pinch. Is that good? Is it good? Is it good, Freckles? Just one more. One more? There we go. Good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Full of protein and calcium for you, huh? You want a pear? I don't know if you guys will eat pears. I don't think we've ever done pears before. Okay, hold on.